day, beautiful people. I hope everyone is doing very good in this beautiful day. Here we are, beautiful people, with this beautiful, lovely looking stone right here. If I'm not mistaken, that this is made out of copper and it's from the Congo. Yeah, I don't want to give you the wrong locality or identification of this beautiful stone right here, but the colors to me are just lovely. Look at that. Look at the patterns and the little stories that this beautiful piece right here tells. I'm just zooming on the beautiful pieces right here that make this beautiful rock. Let me just zoom out to regain focus so we can just look at this together one last time. There we go. And we have a little fly there. Again. I must say he loves this stone as much as I do.